Understanding the Fact-Finding Report, a key tool in information gathering. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and crucial topic in both the academic and professional worlds, the fact-finding report. Whether you're a student, researcher, or professional, understanding this concept is essential. So, let's get started and unravel what a fact-finding report is and why it's so important. A fact-finding report is a detailed document compiled after conducting thorough research and investigation into a specific topic, issue, or situation. The primary goal of this report is to gather all relevant facts and data to provide a comprehensive overview of the subject at hand. It's fact-based, meaning it steers clear of opinions or biases, focusing solely on verifiable information. Every fact-finding report includes several critical elements to ensure it's informative and reliable. These include: Introduction, briefly outlines the purpose, scope, and objectives of the investigation. Methodology, describes the methods used to gather information, such as surveys, interviews, or database research. Findings, presents the facts discovered during the investigation, organized logically. Conclusion, summarizes the findings and may suggest further areas of study or action based on the data collected. Fact-finding reports play a pivotal role in decision-making processes. They provide a solid foundation of facts that decision-makers can rely on to make informed choices. In academic settings, these reports are crucial for supporting research and studies. In the professional realm, they can influence policymaking, business strategies, and legal actions, among other things. Creating an impactful fact-finding report involves several best practices. Ensure accuracy. Double-check all facts and sources for reliability. Be clear and concise. Write in a way that's easy to understand, avoiding unnecessary jargon. Organize logically. Structure the report in a way that guides the reader through your findings smoothly. Cite sources. Provide references for all data and information included to enhance credibility. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and structure of a fact-finding report. Remember, the key to a successful report is thorough research, clear presentation, and unbiased facts. Whether you're presenting findings in an academic, professional, or any other setting, a well-prepared fact-finding report can make a significant difference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.